Sound Part 6 Human Ear. In the previous video, we learned about sonar and ultrasound. In this video, we will learn about the human ear. Earlier, we studied how sound is produced. Now, let us learn how we hear the sound. Humans hear sound with the help of an extremely sensitive device, the ear. The human ear allows us to convert pressure variations with audible frequencies to electrical signals. These signals travel to the brain through the auditory nerve. Now, let us learn about the auditory parts of the human ear and understand how it functions. Look at this picture of the human ear. As you can see in this picture, the human ear is mainly divided into three parts: the outer ear, the middle ear, and the inner ear. The outer ear includes pinna and the auditory canal. The middle ear mainly includes three bones: the hammer, the anvil, and the stirrup, and the eustachian tube. The inner ear includes the cochlea and the auditory nerve. The pinna of the outer ear collects the sound from the surroundings, and then it passes through the auditory canal. Then the sound reaches the eardrum or the tympanic membrane. Whenever a compression of the medium reaches the eardrum, it increases the pressure outside the membrane and forces the membrane inward. Similarly, when a rarefaction of the medium reaches the eardrum, it forces the eardrum outward. In this way, vibrations are produced by the sound in the eardrum. Then, the three bones, the hammer, the anvil, and the stirrup of the middle ear amplifies the vibrations. After that, the middle ear transmits the amplified pressure variations received from the sound wave to the inner ear. The cochlea of the inner ear turns the pressure variations into electrical signals. These electrical signals are sent to the brain through the auditory nerve, and the brain interprets them as sound. And this is how human beings are able to perceive the sound around them. In this video, we learned about the human ear.